After graduating from IIM Ahmedabad, I was supposed to come to Bangalore in April to start my new life, but that got slightly delayed, and I landed in Bangalore in mid of June to first complete my home quarantine and then start my job from July onwards. I documented my entire travel, and this, by the way, is Bangalore Airport, which is my favorite airport among all the airports that I have been to. It's not very crowded because flights had just started operating few days back. I also thought that it would be interesting to take you through my last weekend before I was about to start my job and give a glimpse or certain ideas into how you can spend it well and prepare for the upcoming challenge. I got my breakfast in the room because that was a precaution hotel were taking at that time. After having my breakfast, I took my coffee out in the balcony and started my day with some light reading. I have been reading this very interesting book at the time. It's called The First 90 Days. It contains a lot of mantras and sort of to do action list that can help you create a roadmap while you are transitioning into a new job, that what you should do initially to gain some traction and momentum in an accelerated career path. It's something that you can also start with when you are transitioning at a middle level. Thereafter, I took a walk across the campus of the hotel because it gets slightly suffocating staying in the hotel room for the entire day. And it definitely was a very refreshing walk. My entire 14 days were spent in the hotel itself because I was completing the quarantine period, and I was very excited because it was coming to an end and I was about to start my new job. In the meantime, few folks from office arrived with some swag from the workplace to welcome us into their workforce, and it was a really sweet gesture. After that, for lunch, I didn't have anything except for this fruit ball and a peppermint tea because I had a very heavy breakfast. Also, because breakfast and dinner were paid for, so I thought I'll restrict myself during lunch. I also started a fundamental of digital marketing course from Google because I was transitioning into ad tech industry and it made sense to make some acquaintance with the subject matter before my first day. In the evening, I also ordered my dinner and then continued working on the course. Interestingly enough, this is something that is mentioned in the book or as well, the book that mentioned earlier, the first 90 days, that you should gain as much knowledge as possible when you are transitioning into a different industry or you are making a big career transition. So this is step number 2. Soon enough, it was time for the next day of the weekend. And it was a lovely morning, and the view that I got from my room was phenomenal. I again started my day with some light reading. I finished 3 chapters of the book in that morning. Because I got up really early, I thought I won't order breakfast immediately. Instead, I went to the kitchen and made a coffee for myself. I also froze some milk, some coffee, and some juice as ice cube to later use them for skincare. Then I took my coffee to the living area, started watching a series online, and did my pranayam alongside. Normally, whenever I wake up early in the morning, I am already so hungry that I don't get time to do pranayam, but this was a different day. After pranayam, because it was such a sunny, bright morning, I took my breakfast out in the balcony and had it there itself because I just can't get over the view that room had. I again got back to reading, and this time I was reading Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. During lunchtime, I engaged in some house hunting because I had moved to a new city. To step out from the comfort clothes of I am Ahmedabad and step in into formal wear, I ordered few things from Myntra. House hunting wasn't going that well, so I switched to finding house furnishing and decoration and adding them to my cart on Amazon. I thought once I have a picture of how my house would look like, then I'll be able to settle on a particular house much faster. As most of my things were packed, I thought it would be a great time to shoot the tour of the hotel that I was staying in. And this was a very beautiful place with an amazing view. I can't think of any other place which had where I have stayed and which had such an amazing view. On this note, I would like to sign off. Stay tuned for more videos about my life in Bangalore and what I am doing beyond IMA.